Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to make a stool. These stools are made up of metal pipes with wooden plywood on top. Commercial products are quite good, but at the same time it is quite costly too. When we choose the product with affordable price tag, either they are less in quality or they are costly. Most commonly the bench stools are used for a variety of applications. For sewing machine, it will be very useful since we have to maintain a size of 22 inch as mandatory. So likewise here I made a stool with 22 inch and at the same time a smaller size stool of 10 inch and a larger size stool. And so I decided to make the stool on my own, and here I'm sharing with you all. Hope you all enjoyed. Let's DIY. So for making all these kind of stools I have used here are half an inch, 3/4 inch and 1 inch pipes. Here I had used an angle grinder with 4-inch blade. Strong, durable and lighter in weight stools are more convenient in usage. Making the stool with heavy grade material will increase its weight. We have to think that. So making the stool lighter in weight will be more convenient in using. Check this out. Here is the basic template of the largest stool. I just kept a plywood on top, so while welding it, it won't change its shape. Here are the dimensions for the largest stool. Here I just cut the edges of the pipe by 3-degree inclined angle, so it will be very easy for welding. Handle the tools and equipments very safely. Wear safety goggles and gloves and all for your safety. Check this out. This is 2.5 feet stool. It can be used for laptop usage and all. Here are the dimensions. So let's grind the edges and remove the burr and all. Friends, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon next to it. I just used the manual shearing machine to cut the shades. We can use answer for convenience like a GA sheet or a L channel or whatever. I had used a GA sheet over here. I had used a GI sheet and folded it to L shape instead of using a L channel. It will reduce its weight. By folding the sheet, it increases its strength and it is more durable like L channel. As I said earlier, I just cut the pipe by 3-degree incline shape, so it fixed to its shape, so it will be very easy in welding too. So this is the largest tool template. So this is the L frame that is being folded earlier, and this will be fixed to the top of this tool and plywood will be fixed to this. Cutting the edges to 45 degrees will be very easy for welding and the plywood will be fitting perfectly. I had used a 4mm SS bit over here. Stuffs are ready for welding. So started welding all the joints. I had preferred a gas welding because it is more strong and durable and quite easy than arc welding. By using gas welding we can fill all the edges and all the holes. Gas welding are easy guys, it is something like soldering a wire. So this is a 22-inch tool. Welding and sealing it. And this is the 10-inch tool. Welding and sealing it completely by gas welding. completed all the welding. I had sanded with 80 and 150 grit emery papers, then painted it black. I had used an enamel paint over here. So this is the standard size. It will be around 21.1 by 4. Along with plywood, it will come around 22 inch. So in this 22 inch size alone, I had made 10 number of stools. So this is the 10 inch stool, and I had used a 6 mm plywood on top. Lighter in weight. I had used 4 nuts and bolts to fix the plywood. Used nylon bushes. I had welded a L channel in the middle for its support. Here is the dimension I had used. I had used a counter head screws to fix the plywood.